Very important that you stir so that the corn don't stick to the pot bottom. Viewers and subscribers, welcome to the Arlene SouLz YouTube channel. Well, today I'm in the kitchen preparing hominy corn porridge. Yes, well, I have about a half pint of hominy corn that was soaked from overnight. Yes, in this container in about 4 cups of water. I put half pint of hominy corn to soak, and I pour 3 cups of this water that the hominy corn was soaked in into this pot, and I'm going to be putting it onto the fire to boil for about 15 minutes. After that, I'll be pouring the hominy corn in there to cook, to make my porridge for another half an hour. So stay with me. Guys, once the water starts to boil up, I'm going to be putting in from the nutmeg, the outer coat from the nutmeg. I'm not sure if many of you are familiar with it. Give you a very wonderful fragrance, yes, in the porridge. So I'll be putting it in. Okay, viewers and subscribers, here you have it. The skin from the nutmeg is boiling up in the water. Now I'm about to pour the hominy corn in the boiling water. Cover it and allow it to boil for about half an hour. Viewers and subscribers, I'm stirring the hominy corn in the pot so that it don't stick to the pot bottom. Yes. Very important. Of milk, tablespoons of milk that I'll be adding to the hominy corn porridge. And allow it to continue to boil. The reason why I'm doing that, because I'll be taking about 4 of this cooking spoon, I'll be blending it. I'll be using it to continue to boil in the hominy corn to get it that thickness, because I will not be using any flour, viewers and subs. That is the trick to this hominy corn porridge. I'll be using the same hominy corn. When it comes to a complete boil, I'm going to be using 4 cooking spoons of it into the blender to purify it so that I can use it to thicken the rest of the hominy corn in the pot. Okay. Viewers and subscribers, I'll be now pouring 4 of the cooking spoon of the hominy corn into this blender. And of course, you know, some of the liquid will get in there, no problem. And of course, I turn on the fire very low. So it's this amount. And the amount of corn that is left into the pot is that amount. Yes, as you can see, to the amount of corn that I'm going to now blend. That's the amount that is in there. Viewers and subscribers, I'm allowing it to cool, the rest of it to cool. Yes, so that I can get it to blend. So this is the trick. I don't use flour. I use the hominy corn itself. So guys, here you have it. I'm about to blend the corn, the hominy corn, the cooked hominy corn. I'm about to blend it to get that thickness from the porridge itself. So this is how I do it. Okay, viewers and subscribers, it's now blended. There you have that thickness from the blender. There it is. Now I'm going to have to scrape this out in the pot and allow it to come to a boil again. And then I'm about to sweeten. And there is my hominy corn. I didn't have to use any flour to thicken it. See, I'm scraping it out now in the pot. Can see how thick it is. Yes, I'm going to be stirring it so that it don't get too thick, where it can stir up. See, there it is. Viewers and subscribers, you have the thick hominy corn. I did not use any flour. There it is, thick and nice. I didn't have to use any flour in this, viewers and subscribers. Continue to scrape out what is left in the blender. There it is, viewers and subscribers. Thick and nice. That's how I like my porridge. Using 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and I'll be using 4 tablespoons of milk to sweeten my hominy corn porridge. And of course, you had your milk according to your taste. I'll be only using 4. Yes. And I'm about to turn off the stove now and get it sweetened. And I'm adding a teaspoon of vanilla. There it is, viewers and subscribers. It's a teaspoon of vanilla. The nutmeg, I'll be breaking it. So there is the nutmeg. This is the nutmeg. Here I have my nutmeg grater. So I'm going to now grater in. My estimation is about half a teaspoon. I did not use any teaspoon right here. I'm just judging it based on my experience. There it is. That's the amount I use. Okay. Two of this cooking spoon right of milk. That's 1. Yes, viewers and subscribers, as I said before, I'll be sweetening it according to my likings. You can sweeten your porridge according to your likeness. This is how I'm going to be sweetening mine. So I use 2 of this, and that's it. Yes. And I'll be stirring in the milk to make sure. Okay, viewers and subscribers, I'm pouring out my porridge. This is the amount that I will drink. Perfectly fine, viewers and subscribers. Viewers and subscribers, this is how I prepare my hominy corn porridge. I hope you enjoy this video. Comment in the comment section and let me know how you prepare yours. Right? You can share your idea with me just the same way in which I share my ideas with you. Viewers and subscribers, it's a pleasure having you here. clicking on this video. Turn on your post notification. Share this video, like the videos, and subscribe to the Arlene SouLz YouTube channel.